In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a login page on Replit using Replit Database. This process is not only efficient, but also utilizes the power of Flask, a micro web framework for Python, along with Replit's easy-to-use database. So let's dive right into it and create something incredible together. First off, you need to navigate to Replit's https:/replit.com website. If you don't have an account, make sure to sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is the central hub for all your projects. Here, look for the plus create button. This button is your gateway to all new projects. Go ahead and click it. This is where we start our journey toward creating an effective login system. Now you'll see a box prompting you to describe the idea you wish to build. Think of this as a search field for templates or as the first point where you articulate what you aim to create. In this box, type out the following prompt. Make a simple login and register web app using Flask and Replit Database. This prompt tells Replit exactly what we want to accomplish, building a straightforward system for users to register and log in, powered by Flask. After typing in the prompt, you'll see an option labeled Create REPL. Click on it. Alternatively, if you're more comfortable with keyboard shortcuts, just press Enter. This step tells Replit to start setting up your environment based on the input from the previous step with tools and configurations that align with your prompt. It's a seamless process that takes away a lot of the back-end heavy lifting. Once Replit has finished setting everything up, you'll notice a range of files and folders, each serving a unique purpose to support your web app. In these files, some essential arrangements are already taken care of for you, allowing you to focus more on customization and functionality rather than starting from scratch. From this point onward, you can start editing the files as per your needs. You'll have access to HTML for the structure, CSS for styling to make your login page attractive, and Python with Flask for the backend logic. For the final component, Replit's database shall conveniently store your user's login information securely. This entire process equips you with a foundational login system, ripe for further tweaking, improvement, or even integration into larger projects. Don't forget to test your application thoroughly to ensure users can register, log in, and securely manage their sessions without any glitches. That's all it takes to set up a login page using Replit and its database with the help of Flask. Dive in, explore, and don't hesitate to iterate over your design. Happy coding, and may your web applications shine.